This is the accuracy review video for Bitcoin's June 2025 reading. The June 2025 reading, if you're wondering, it was originally created, the shuffle file, on May 25th, 2025, 9:34 p.m. Eastern Time. There will be a link in the description of this video that'll take you to the original prediction video so you can see when it was actually posted for proof, for those of you that are super skeptical and new to the channel. But what we're going to do here, basically what I was looking for is a highest high around the 7th, 8th. Remember, it's often, it's not all the time, but it happens frequently enough that it needs to be mentioned in every video. The sequence of chart events as outlined by the prediction is the most important aspect of the prediction to pay attention to. The timing is usually on point to the day, but sometimes you need to give it plus or minus a day or two of wiggle room, especially with these cryptos. In a bad crypto reading, it might even be like up to 4 days of wiggle room. That hardly ever happens, but it does happen. Crypto is madness. In any case, we have a highest high, at least thus far. It was either a highest high period or a highest high thus far around the 7th, 8th. I was shooting for probably the 8th. And it looks like we were a day off, and there was that first major highest high there on the 9th. But it was a big move, offering opportunity to open up a short. People that opened up short were very, very happy just a few days later or even the very next day. And you can see these drawings here, these ellipses, are examples of our early access subscription chart drawings. These are drawn in real time and sometimes ahead of time, like the bigger ones, to help you with entry and exit into and out of those trades. And you can see we're like a day off on the exit for this trough here. Well, it depends on how you look at it. We entered into it, big move to the upside. Then we came back down where we were a little early on coming back down. In any case, we have a lowest low on the 10th, which I think we were pretty off on. That was one location, and then the alternates were the 17th and the 22nd. The 17th ended up being an important low. The 22nd was the lowest low, so we did have that as an alternate predicting it. And what made it really difficult to determine that where the lack of clarity came into play is that this lowest low was within such close time proximity to highest highs or close, which we had on the 23rd, 24th. But you can see what happened. We went from this lowest low into these major highs. On the 25th, we were at a highest high again. Well, close, not quite, but very, very close. And that'll happen with SO meta-analysis. But in either case, that's what made it a little difficult. Even so, we still did a pretty solid reading. If you opened up a short there on the 8th even, you still would have made money waiting for the 10th. Or the 11th. Anyways, or you would have held for back up into the 17th or back up into the 22nd. Those were super profitable trades. This trade out of this low, opening up along, closing along with on the 23rd would have yielded a sick profit. You would have left some on the table, but still that was one of the best trades of the month. And we nailed one of the best trades, two of the best trades of the month. Pretty much nailed them, guys. So this is, I mean, you make your money back on the monthly access subscription in like droves with this information. So if this is the first video you're seeing of ours, guys, we have prediction videos that come out, and we have a early monthly access subscription which gives you access to the 1 day predictions or the day-by-day sequence of chart events on a 1 month basis for Bitcoin, Nvidia, QUBT, Solana, Tesla, and XRP, all as part of our monthly access subscription, which you get here at our website, Terra for Traders. Hover over order now, click on subscriptions, monthly access subscription. That's where you get the day trade alerts in real time on our Discord channel. And that's where you get the live updated TradingView chart drawings for entries and exits and highs and lows. I mean, these are game changing services. It doesn't get easier to trade this info, guys. It doesn't get easier to trade if you ask me. So thank you to everybody that goes ahead and does that. Check out some of our other videos, guys. They speak for themselves. Blessings to all our angel investors out there. I'll see you guys on the next one.